You're watching How Leap. Let's stop Instagram from automatically following other accounts. Instagram itself does not automatically follow accounts, but third party apps or a compromised account can. First, change your password. Go to your profile, tap the menu, go to settings, then security, and tap password. Create a strong new password. Next, revoke access to suspicious third-party apps. In Settings, tap Apps and Websites under Security. Remove any unfamiliar apps. Then check your following list and unfollow any accounts you didn't follow manually. Enable two-factor authentication in Settings, Security for extra protection if the issue persists after these steps. Your account may have been hacked. Use Instagram's Secure Your Account tool in the Help Center. Instagram's algorithm may suggest accounts, but it will never follow them without your tap. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.